What is up, guys? It's Dave with Pete and Pedro, and today we are going through our 5 steps to get amazing hair fast, starting with number 1. Number 1 is know which shampoo is for you. If you got dandruff, use a dandruff shampoo. If you need some volume, use a volume shampoo. Regardless of your hair type or the issue that you're having with your hair, there's a shampoo out there for you, so take advantage of it. Number 2 is condition more, shampoo less. My personal routine is I shampoo every other day. I condition, however, every single day, and the reason for that is even the best shampoo can strip your hair of some essential oils and nutrients. It's really, really important that you guys are putting the essential nutrients back into your hair. Keep it hydrated, keep it healthy, keep it looking amazing, condition every single day. Number 3 is use a Prestyler. It's a great way to add volume and texture to your hair. It makes styling a breeze and it provides a light hold, so depending on your style, you may be able to use just this as a styling aid. Number 4 is emulsifier products, and what we mean by that is most hair products are heat activated, so in order to get them to work properly, you need to apply a little heat to them to make them work. Now the way that I do this, I take a little bit, about a dime size amount like that, and what you're gonna wanna do is just rub it in between your hands like this. Now, you'll see that my hands get kind of white there, and you just keep rubbing, and when you feel the warmth, you can actually see that the product starts to disappear. Now, when you no longer see that white color, you know that the product has been heat activated and it's ready to go. And last but not least, number 5 is take your vitamins. Now, I take a men's multivitamin every single day. The only problem with that is I haven't found one that's really jam-packed full of biotin. Why is that important? Well, biotin is the building block of keratin. That's what keeps your hair looking healthy, strong, and amazing, right? So I take 2 of these every single day. It's super easy, it's jam-packed with all the biotin I need, and added bonus, it makes my skin and nails look amazing. That is it, guys. That's our 5 tips for getting amazing hair fast. Follow these 5 tips and stay looking awesome.